Happy Children's Day to my admirable students. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day all over India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Childhood is a special phase of life, and you all should live life to the fullest during this time. In contemporary scenario, there are several crimes that are taking place against children. So we and you need to be careful at every moment of life, whether you are at home or in school. Jawaharlal Nehru was considered to be great leader as well as polished statesman. But the one thing that was admired about him was his love for children. He appealed to children that always climb the ladder of success with utmost dignity and respect. Children are the building blocks of our nation, and we should help them grow in an optimistic manner. If a country seems to be developed and prosperous, the only reason is the young minds behind this aspect. Dear children, you have new and innovative ideas to make our nation proud. We cannot ignore your involvement and contribution in the life of parents, teachers, and other people related to you in your life. Children are liked by everyone, and without children, life becomes very boring and dull. And since 1.5 years, this school is so dull and boring because of your absence from this school. You are the guiding lights in our lives. You are all blessed by God, and you conquer our hearts with your beautiful eyes, innocent activities, and with your smiles. Children's Day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. Therefore, to make this occasion happier, your teachers perform a few items online so that we can bring smiles on your face. May all your wishes be fulfilled. Thank you. Once again, a happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. Obstacles come into our lives to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities, and you will never fail in life. Due to this pandemic situation, we all are locked in our home. But then also, you all are remembering your love, and we miss you very much. Students, you are the roof of a school. Without you, we are incomplete.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to sing for you. We are the buds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the buds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the children, we want to shine. We are the children, we want to shine. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day. We are the light in the darkness. We are the future of the nation. We are the light in the darkness. We are the future of the nation. We are the children, we want to shine. We are the children, we want to shine. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together makes a garden. My dear children, climb every mountain, ford every stream, and follow every rainbow till you reach your dream. On this special day, I wish you all
Children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you success and joy in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day to all my dear students.
Happy Children's Day, my dear students. May God bless you.
ഹൃദയത്തിൻ തന്തിയിൽ ആരോ വിരൽ തൊടും മൃദുലമാം നിസ്വനം പോലെ ഇലകളിൽ ജലകണം മിറ്റു വീഴും പോലെൻ ഉയിരിൽ അമൃതം തളിച്ച പോലെ തരള വിലോലം നിൻ കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു ഞാൻ അറിയാതെ കോരിത്തരിച്ചു പോയി അറിയാതെ കോരിത്തരിച്ചു പോയി വാതിൽ പഴുതിയിലൂടെ മുന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം വാരി വിതറും ത്രിസന്ധ്യ പോകേ അതിലോലമെൻ ഇടനാഴിയിൽ നിൻ കളമധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു മധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു.
Warm wishes on Children's Day to all the students. Always strike a balance between your studies and your play, and then you will have an awesome life. Happy Children's Day.
Hi dear children, may you never lose your innocence. Enjoy the spirit of childhood. Happy Children's Day all.
പുഞ്ചിരിയൊളി തൂകി നെഞ്ചിൽ പനിനീർ പൂച്ചൂടി ചുണ്ടിൽ പുഞ്ചിരിയൊളി തൂകി നെഞ്ചിൽ പനിനീർ പൂച്ചൂടി തലയിൽ തൊപ്പി കിരീടം പോൽ ചൂടി വരുന്നിത ചാച്ചാജി ധീരൻ വീരൻ ചാച്ചാജി ധീരൻ വീരൻ ചാച്ചാജി എന്ന് നവംബർ 14th നമ്മുടെ ചാച്ചാജിയുടെ ജന്മദിനം. എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കുടുംബങ്ങൾക്കും ഹാപ്പി ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് ഡേ.
Hi, children are God's best creation. They spread happiness and joy in every season. Handle them with love and care. Wish a happy Children's Day, my dears. Bye.
My dear students, I wish that you never give up in life, for you are a fighter and a winner in life. Wishing you a happy Children's Day.
നീളം ചുണ്ടിൽ പുഞ്ചിരി കാണാൻ ആകാശത്തമ്മ വന്നു. കുഞ്ഞീളം ചുണ്ടിൽ പുഞ്ചിരി കാണാൻ ആകാശത്തമ്മ വന്നു. കൈ നിറയെ പൊന്നാടയും കണ്ണിറയും താരാട്ടുമായി അമ്മ തൻ ജീവന്റെ പൂവാടിയിൽ കാണാൻ ആകാശത്തമ്മ വന്നു.
From my heart, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. In India, we celebrate purposefully this celebration on 14th November. As you know, it is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. More than that, he loved a lot children, and he was loved by the children a lot. He spent a lot of time with children during his lifetime. That's why children called him Chachaji, Uncle Nehru. And Jawaharlal Nehru compared children to the birds in a garden. That means you are the future of our country. This celebration reminds you, my dear children, that you have to realize the importance, your own importance, and you have to prepare yourself for the future. You are the future of our country. You have to prepare in order to be shining stars in the future by studying well, by developing all the skills in you.
Children are the gift of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. Happy Children's Day to all my dear students.
Hello Kutties, Happy Children's Day. Love you all. On this occasion, I am going to tell a story. The title of the story is The Thirsty Crow. Let's watch it. It was a hot sunny day. A thirsty crow was looking for water. He searched for a long time. At last, he saw a pot with a little water at the bottom. He tried to drink, but could not reach the water. He started thinking and came up with an idea. He saw some pebbles nearby. He picked and dropped them into the pot one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of the story is think before you act. Thank you.
പച്ചക്കറിക്കായത്തട്ടിൽ ഒരു മുത്തശ്ശി പൊട്ടറ്റോ ചൊല്ലി, കുഞ്ഞോളെ കുമ്പാളി മാമുണ്ണ് ചാഞ്ചാട്. പച്ചക്കറിക്കായത്തട്ടിൽ ഒരു മുത്തശ്ശി പൊട്ടറ്റോ ചൊല്ലി, കുഞ്ഞോളെ കുമ്പാളി മാമുണ്ണ് ചാഞ്ചാട്. വെള്ളരി പിഞ്ചു പോലും ചുമ്മാ കള്ളക്കണ്ണീരൊഴുക്കി, തക്കാളി പപ്പാളി അച്ചിങ്ങ മുച്ചിങ്ങ പീച്ചിങ്ങയോടൊപ്പം പിച്ച നടന്നു ചൊല്ലി, കുഞ്ഞോളെ കുമ്പാളി മാമുണ്ണ് ചാഞ്ചാട്. കുഞ്ഞോളെ കുമ്പാളി മാമുണ്ണ് ചാഞ്ചാട്.
achieve your goals, and nothing will be impossible for you in life. I wish a happy Children's Day to all my dear loving kids.
മന്ദാരച്ചെപ്പുണ്ടോ മാണിക്യക്കല്ലുണ്ടോ കയ്യിൽ വാർമതിയേ, പൊന്നും തേനും വയമ്പുമുണ്ടോ, വാനം വാടിത തൂവലുണ്ടോ, ഉള്ളിൽ ആമോദത്തിരകൾ ഉയരുമ്പോൾ മൗനം പാടുന്നു. മന്ദാരച്ചെപ്പുണ്ടോ മാണിക്യക്കല്ലുണ്ടോ കയ്യിൽ വാർമതിയേ, പൊന്നും തേനും വയമ്പുമുണ്ടോ, വാനം പാടിത തൂവലുണ്ടോ, ഉള്ളിൽ ആമോദത്തിരകൾ ഉയരുമ്പോൾ മൗനം പാടുന്നു.
Dear children, to be successful in life, you need education. Happy Children's Day.
La 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 la. We love you children from all our heart. We bless you children from all our heart. You are the shining stars and gifts of God. You are the children best of the wise. You are the bright sun, you are the flowers, you are the stars who shine in the sky. You are the light of darkness, and we pray for your brightness. You are the light of darkness, and we pray for your brightness. You are the glimpse of future, and you are the pride of our teachers. You are the children we want you to shine. You are the children we want you to fly. La 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 la. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day to all our children.
ഹാപ്പി ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് ഡേ മൈ ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. എൻ്റെ മക്കൾക്കായിട്ട് ബിന്ദു മിസ്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു ചെറിയ സ്നേഹ സമ്മാനം. മുത്തുമണി പൂവൽ തരാം, അല്ലിത്തളിരാട തരാം, മുത്തുമണി പൂവൽ തരാം, അല്ലിത്തളിരാട തരാം, മധുരം പകരാൻ ചെറുപൂങ്കാറ്റായി മെല്ലെ താരാട്ടാം, എൻ കനവിലുറങ്ങും കണ്ണീർ കുരുവികളേ, മുത്തുമണി തൂവൽ തരാം, അല്ലിത്തളിരാട തരാം, മുത്തുമണി തൂവൽ തരാം, അല്ലിത്തളിരാട തരാം. ഹാപ്പി ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് ഡേ.